Okay, boys and girls, so today we're going to be looking at different clay techniques. We're just going to start out with some simple techniques first of all. As you'll see here in the video, we have slab, we have coil, and we have pinch pots. So they're the three that we're going to be looking at today. This is a video by a woman called Samantha, so Samantha is going to be showing us these techniques. So we're going to start off with slab. So slab is just a flat piece of clay. It's when we flatten the clay out. And as Samantha's going to show you, you can do this either with your hands, or if you have a rolling pin at home, you can use one. She's using the palm of her hand to push down on the clay to flatten it out, and then you can see she's further flattening it out using her rolling pin. So that's how we make a slab, and that's just a flat piece of clay. You'll see it's very like two-dimensional. And now we're moving on to coil. So coil is a little bit different to slab, as you'll see. So Samantha's going to start off by squeezing the piece of clay, and moulding it into nearly like a snake shape, a long cylindrical shape, and she's using the table to help her roll that out. So as you'll see, as she's rolling and rolling and rolling, this becomes more of a really long, skinny cylinder, which we've looked at in maths. So there's a little connection for you, see if you can remember that. So there we go, she's just rolling and rolling and rolling with her two hands on the table and creating this long coil. And now she's twisted it, so she's getting more of a snaky effect with the coil because she's twisted and twisted. So that's more of a 3D shape that we can make. So now we're moving on to pinch pots. As Samantha's going to show you, she starts off with a piece of clay just in ball and she just pushes her thumb into the middle of it. So now she's showing you the pinching method that she's going to use to turn this piece of clay into a pot. So she's just going around the edge, pinching with her thumb on the inside and her fingers on the outside, and just pinching to help make a pot. It's exactly like the name says, it's a pinch pot, so you make it by pinching the clay. So as we see, the more she pinches it, the more pot shaped the piece of clay gets, and the hollow on the inside of it gets bigger.